Topstep. Everything you have to know about it through the combine to the express. Everything that you should expect, what to know for, I'm going to state in this video. So let's not waste too much time. Let's get right into it. First, Topstep. When you're signing up, you have 3 accounts. You have a 50K, 100K, 150K. Now, for the 50K, you have to pay 49 USD every single month until you pass. How do you pass? You may ask. Well, you have to make 3K. So you can take a year, but that's 12 times you're gonna get charged 49 US. So your main goal is try to pass it as fast as possible. But you have to be careful. Reason for that is because you have a 2K drawdown. You cannot lose more than 2,000. If you lose 2,000, you need to restart and you have to pay that $49 a month. So say for example, on the first of the month, you pay that 49, but on the 5th of the month, you lose that account, you're going to have to pay 49 again. So it can get a little pricey. So you have to be careful. So you can only trade a maximum of 5 contracts. So yes, that might be a little discouraging because many people may think, okay, I can just drop like 10 contracts and I'm gonna make like $1,000 a pip. Well, that's where they stop you. So it's a 5 contract max. And you also have a 50% consistency rule. I know I don't have it listed right here, but you have a 50% consistency rule, meaning that if you are on a 50K account and your profit is 3K, you can make 1.5 per trade. You can't make more than that. It has to be 50% of your profit. So 1.5, 1.5. Same goes for the 100K and the 150K. So 100K, 99 US every single month, 3K drawdown. So you have a 1K more, but you have to make 6K. So you can see it's getting a bit more difficult. And you have a max contract size of 10. So you got 5 more, but the only difference really is it's a higher profit target with only 1K more of a drawdown, which kind of sucks, but it's a challenge. Then you have the 150K. 150K is the most expensive. It's 149 US every single month. So it's expensive, but you have a 4.5 drawdown and a 9K profit target. But you can trade 15 contracts. So you can get up there pretty quick, but you can also lose very fast. So that is for the combine. And keep in mind that there is a 50% consistency rule for every single one of these. So that's that for the combine. Once you pass and get that profit target of 3K, 6K, or 9K with that 50% consistency rule, congratulations. Let's move on to the next step. So when your profit target is hit, as I said, congratulations. And just before we continue moving forward, I just want to state one thing. The 50K is honestly the most profitable you can do because keep in mind, you can have multiple 50K accounts. I believe you can have up to five accounts. I believe you can have up to 5, and you can link them all with a copy trader, and it's just the most reasonable, most profitable, and most like reasonable for your price. But anyways, moving forward, activation fee. Once you pass and get that profit target, you need to pay an activation fee of 149. Once you pay this, you do not have to pay the monthly fee. The 149 is like your final goodbye to the monthly fees, and you are done. So congratulations, no more monthly fees. You are done. 149, and you can like keep the account for as long as you want. You don't have to pay anything. But of course, we are not gone. We still have some objectives and some rules to follow. Now we have a 5 days of winning of $200 plus to get your first payout. No, that does not mean you have to win 5 trades in a row. No, you have to have in a total of 5 trades of that are winning of more than $200 plus. So you can have 6 trades But say you lost one in the middle, as long as you win 5, doesn't matter if it's in a row or if it's separated, you have to win 5 trades of $200 plus, and you are eligible to withdraw 50% of your earnings. So say, for example, you have 2K in your account, you can withdraw 1K and you can deposit that straight to your bank. It's pretty sick, no? I know it's not 100% of your balance, but it's more of a safety cushion than anything else. Then you have a $1,000 daily loss limit. So say you trade and you lose $1,000 in a day, Topstep will automatically lock you out of your account to, in a way, save yourself. So you can't overtrade and try to run back to make those profits. So take the day off and relax. Try to reskill your head. It's chill. Now you have a $2,000 drawdown. If you go below that 2,000, you lose the account. Your activation fee gone, monthly fees gone. You lose everything. You have to restart from the start. So that's a little discouraging after you make it this far and you make that and you lose 2,000. I understand. But one thing, you have to follow a scaling plan. Scaling plan. What is it? Honestly, that was the first time me ever hearing this. Scaling plan. What is it? So for the 50K accounts, we'll start off. Anything, your account balance below 1,005, you can only trade a maximum of 2 lots. So yes, if you remember from the combine, you had a maximum of 5 contracts. Contracts, lots, same thing. You had a maximum of 5 contracts. Now when you pass your 50K and you become your evaluation phase, then you can only do 2,000 to 2,000, 2 lots under 1,005. Once you get to 1,005, between 2,000, you can trade 3 lots. Above 2,000, you can trade 5 lots. So now this is where like the kind of the psychology kicks in. So what do you want to do? Do you want to like rather take your profits, or would you rather leave it in the account and use it as a cushion? Because once you make more than 2,000, then you're still gonna have that 2K drawdown. But if you make 3,000, then you're gonna have a 3K drawdown. If you make 10,000, you're gonna have a 10K drawdown. So now you have to prioritize. Do you want to have a cushion in the account in case you have a bad month or maybe you lose 3 trades in a row? Or do you want to take out your money and possibly risk losing the account? Or do you want to use it as a cushion and you can trade more lots and make more money in the future? So that's something you have to think about. 10K account, it's the same thing. 1.5, 3 lots. Above 1.5 to 2K, 4 lots. 2 to 3,000, 5 lots. Anything above 3,000 is 10 lots. So you get your full access to your 10 lots. 150K, well, it's as simple as that. It's as follows. So I really hope you understand and what to expect. And yeah, also, little side note, before you get moved to a live account, it's 30 winning trades. Or I believe it's five profits. Once you pull out 5 times, you get moved on to a live account. But don't 100% quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And yeah, so I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a great example of what Topstep is and what to expect. This might be a bit of a long video. I apologize for that. I don't really like to make long videos, as you can see on my account. But if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe, and if you did end up passing you ended up passing the Topstep account, let me know in the comments. I'll give you a little congratulations because it's honestly something to be happy about because not a lot of people actually do pass it. And if you do get your first payout, let me know as well, because that is a very big accomplishment and you should be extremely happy about yourself. And yeah, so I really do hope, I wish you guys honestly the best. I want you guys to succeed in the world because you guys honestly really truly deserve it, and I really do appreciate the support that you guys are giving me every single day. So hope you have a lovely day.